You clean up the whole house, you feel what that day? This Sunday you could not do because Bhagavatam was there. Next Sunday what do? Both of you clean up your car, garden, house, and you are so tired and take shower by 12:30 and both of you sit down and say, wow, house looks so clean and neat. That day you feel what? Very good. You go to office, finish all the files, that day you feel what? Something light here. Am I right or not? When you finish all the file, you feel light here in the heart. It means all this day there was a weight here, correct? Because of what? Unfinished file. That also give me easiness. So karmana, I want to gain what? Sukham. Suraksha, security. A pleased me I want to see. But problem with karma and the results are what? Both are what? Eternal or non-eternal? Non-eternal. Therefore, happiness born of them is what? They are not lasting, but they are what? Momentary. Ayaram. I was so happy in India when I met my parent. Until evening, the mosquitoes started coming in the home. Then whole happiness what? Chala gaya. Some nagging people come and nag you. India, one thing I found when I also go there, they come and meet you. You say, I'm going out. Parvailla. You can go and come back, they are waiting for you. They wait in the house. So you can't get rid of them. You know, they are all over you. In India, I'm alone only in bathroom, really. All the time, people are thinking around me. So there is advantage and disadvantage. All our sukham is lasting or they are momentary. Therefore, karmana, whatever you gain is what? Anityam or nityam? Sukham, anityam. Now my one question to all of you. I did not ask you even, do you want to become happy or not? I don't want to ask you, you know. All want to become happy. But my question is, how long you want to become happy? All the time. You want to be happy inside your home or outside your home? There are two things in this world. One is inside with your home. Everything is what? Outside. Inside the home or outside the home? Both the places. Come on. Third thing. You want to be happy with few things or everything around you? I wish I can be happy even in the presence of my mother-in-law. Okay? I wish. Not going to happen. I wish I'm happy in presence of what? My boss also. No, not going to happen very easily. I wish I can stand him, withstand him. What? My spouse. Really, now I never knew this guy is like that. I would have never married this. I never knew this fellow. It shows different moods now swinging. So you want to be happy with what? All the things I meet. Do you want happiness after doing lot of work or easy? Why we pass easy pass? Why? Why do you pass easy pass? You need not wait for money and chain and go away. Now they have got easy pass means what? At a speed you can move through that, correct? Everywhere they are putting. At 55, correct? Come on. Easy, the double easy become. You want to go. In America, everything should be done what? Instant. Different type of remote. Yeah. In India, we have to open the garage door. Nobody is there. No remote. Your remote. You go out and open or your wife runs down. Here, open. Which you like? Go and open the door or directly? This is very good. park your car in the mall, they take your car, go to your home, open the garage, take everything and run away. Because no, in your car, what is there? Garage opener, everything is there. They do this also. Be very careful. So easy, I want sukh without effort. No yatna sadhyam ayatna prayatna rahitam anayasam sukham. Effortless sukham I wanted. You want happiness being under somebody or independent. People always love salesman job. Why? No boss is around. You are out in the field. They don't know what you are doing. Correct? And your boss is traveling, you are very happy. Because you are alone in the happy office. Correct? You want to be under somebody or independent? Independent. Sukh, swatantra sukh. This is the happiness only you wanted or everybody wanted. Everybody wanted. Now look at what type of sukh you wanted. All the time, all the place, with all the things, without effort. And what? Without being dependent. And lastly, in the form of knowledge. See, there is a big birthday party going on in your home and you are in the office. You should be in the office or in your home. Oh, marriage is happening in your family. You want to be there to see the marriage, not to be away from that. Therefore, I should know, I should appreciate, I should enjoy that in the form of knowledge. Now, dekho, if I put in Sanskrit, it will be big, one small sentence. Sarva desha kala vastu nirapeksha swatantraha anayasa gnana rupena sukham. That we all human beings wanted. Whether you believe or don't believe in God, I don't care. Who cares for that? This you wanted? Yes. This sukham can we get by action? What are 4 actions I forgot? Please tell me. What are the 4 actions? They call cooperative handover. Correct? Everybody repeat all the 4. Apyam, Utpadyam, Vikaryam, Samskaryam. You can work on it. It's very beautiful. I do technical words. They cannot give me. They cannot deliver the goods. If this is the sukham which I want, nitya sukham, sarva desha, sarva kala, sarva vastu, swarupam sukham if I want, that is called param. Understand what is param? Param sukham, paramananda. You got the paramananda. How to gain? Not to gain by action. By actions are what? Produce non-eternal. Anityasya sadhanam. So what shall I do? To gain the limitless happiness which I really want. You can't gain it. Why? It is. Limitless you can't produce, correct? It is. How to gain it then? It is already an accomplished fact. How come I don't know? Because of ignorance. How ignorance can go? By knowledge. What is that knowledge? Mundaka Upanishad. That is Upanishad which help me to know what I am seeking is myself. It is not to be gained in terms of action, it is to be understood that is already accomplished fact. Again I will repeat. Now repeat the thing. 2 things can be accomplished. One, not yet accomplished, I can accomplish. Apraptasya praptihi. All these 4 actions can give you apraptaha praptihi. Second is praptasya prapti, already accomplished. Then how do you get it? In terms of knowledge. See, everybody seated here has a very good name. हिंदी I would say ढूंढर. ढूंढर मालूम? जो ढूंढता रहता है. हम लोग का एक नाम क्या है? सर्चर. ढूंढता रहता है. Every human being is searcher. क्या ढूंढता है? सुबह चाबी ढूंढता है ना? Key is the thing we are searching. Whole life, half life goes in what? Searching only. When you get out of the home, especially Indian homes, I say, the husband is going out, whole house is after the husband to send him to the office. It's a big job. And unless he goes to office, there is no shanti in the home. They are all working on him, उनको नाश्ता दो, उनको कपड़ा दो, उनको ये दो, चाय दो, ये दो, फटाफट तैयार करो. And when he says bye, 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 he thinks everybody will bye, bye, go, जाओ, 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 ऐसे करके ये उपद्रव जा रहा है, जाओ. And children also say, Daddy, bye, bye, everybody bye. And he goes to his motorbike. And my wife is feeling so relieved from God. That time this fellow storms back. And wife is alarmed, वापिस कैसे आ गया? क्या? What happened? Where are my keys? What keys? Motorbike keys, two-wheeler key. Now you should see, husband wife goes around the house, searching every possible place where they keep their keys. You know, you've got habit of throwing keys in the bathroom, habit of carrying in some place. Everybody throws things around. And the wife asked a funny question. This is all I heard them. In India, no money. Are you putra? Yeah. Where did you put your key last? तो बच्चों की चले क्या मुक्के अरे एकदम क्या होता तो कुछ पूजा वाला like if temperature list goes up. If I knew that, will I search for that? ढूंढers. Whole day क्या कर रहे का ढूंढना. And the 5-year son is sitting and watching. ये क्या हो रहा है? He is just stunned to see what they. Then they are so, and you know, whenever you are searching keys, you will not say, where are my keys? Husband never. If you are bachelor, you can ask, where are my keys? That's called not married yet. Very tone you under. Where are my keys? Married person. The tone from tone you understand married or not. This is the way they talk high. Because always everything is done by her only, not by me, correct? And the son says, Dad, yes. Have you taken money back? I never touched anything belongs to you, okay? Then where are my keys? You know that? Yes. You look in your pocket here. And he pushed his hand here and found keys where? Right in the pocket. He was searching all this pocket, but not this pocket. The son pointed out, Guru, what you are searching is with? Now, he said, oh, I got it. Did he got it? Or was it with him only? Him only. Praptasya, being authoritative father, dangerous father. The authoritative father is a very dangerous father. He will immediately say, go and study now, come on. He won't say thanks also because he's always a father, he can't thank anybody. And walks away. Correct? This we see every day, nothing new. A person went to Bardoli from Surat to buy some donkeys he wanted and got